I'm sorry, bud. That was rude of me, wasn't it? Bud, I'd like to introduce my friend, Black Mamba. Black Mamba, this is Bud. You know what? Before I picked that little fellow up, I looked him up on the internet. Fascinating creatures, Black Mamba. Listen to this. In Africa, a saying goes, in the bush, an elephant can kill you. A leopard can kill you, but only with Mamba. And this has been true since the day of dawn. Is dead sure, hence its handle, death incarnate. Pretty cool, huh? Its neurotoxic venom is one of nature's most effective poisons, acting on the nervous system, causing paralysis. The venom of a black mamba can kill a human being in 4 hours. If, say, bitten on the ankle or the thumb. However, a bite to the face or torso can bring death from paralysis within 20 minutes. Now, you should really listen to this part because it concerns you. The amount of venom that can be delivered from a single bite can be gargantuan. It can be gargantuan. You know, I've always wanted to use that word, gargantuan. So I really haven't had a chance to use it in a sentence before. Gargantuan. Gargantuan.